Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Madhavakumar Turumella. I am a data solutions architect. I have more than 20 years of experience in data solutions and architecture. I use this channel to speak about latest trends in the data technology and whatever is shape-shifting the world. UK government has recently launched UK National Data Strategy, and I'm going to speak about the highlights of this national data strategy. How is it beneficial for the business leaders? UK is already a digital nation. Data market means money made from the products and services using digital data. UK is one of the largest and the fastest growing data markets. Especially in 2019, UK has secured 33% more venture capital investment in the digital data area. UK is only behind America and China in terms of attracting venture capital investment, especially in the data field. So it makes more sense for the government to have launched this UK National Data Strategy. UK National Data Strategy, as per the government documents, is designed to help the country seize the opportunities of data field. UK has a very ambitious plan to make UK #1 data destination in the world. Here is the UK National Data Strategic Blueprint. As you could see, within this blueprint, there are these foundation pillars, which are effective data foundation pillars: foundations, skills, availability, and responsibility. So, and above this, there are actions, there are associated with the mission statements: unlocking the value of data across the economy and maintaining a pro-growth and trusted data regime and transforming government's use of data. And mission 4 is ensuring the security, resilience of the data infrastructure and championing the international flow of data. These are the mission statements and mission statements associated actions. The data strategic blueprint also has identified the opportunities. They are growth, jobs, public services, research, and society. These are the areas which are identified for the opportunities. So let's understand the pillars of effective data use. Number 1 within the strategic blueprint is foundations. Data foundations is aimed at deriving the true value of data. The true value of data can only be realized fully when it is fit for purpose, recorded in a standardized format on modern future-proof systems, and held in a condition that means it is findable, accessible, and interoperable and reusable. By improving the quality of data, we can use it more effectively and drive better insights and outcomes for its use. The next foundation pillar is data skills. To make the best use of data, we must have a wealth of data skills to draw on. That means delivering the right skills through our education system, but also ensuring that people can continue to develop the data skills they need throughout their lives. So which means making education available and accessible and feasible for everyone. The third pillar is data availability. For data to have most effective use, it has to be available across the industries, across the mediums. For example, data must be available, appropriately accessible, mobile, and reusable. That means encouraging a better coordination, access to, and sharing of data of appropriate quality between organizations in public, private, and third sectors, and ensuring appropriate protections for the flow of data internationally. The fourth pillar is responsible use of data. Responsible use means the data has to be lawful, secure, fair, ethical, and sustainable and accountable. So these will make any data as responsible data. As we drive the increased use of data, we must also support innovation and research. So this is the aim behind data strategy by the government. Finally, so what are the opportunities the UK government is looking at? It is looking at boosting the productivity and trade, supporting new businesses and jobs, increasing the speed, efficiency, and scope of scientific research, driving better delivery of policy and public services, and finally creating a fairer society for all. So these are the opportunities which UK government is looking at behind launching this UK National Data Strategy. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email them to me. My email address is given there, and I have also pasted a link in the comment section below, a link to the UK National Data Strategy paper. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your encouragement.